So start off, I got some chrome headlights. I got HIDs as my running lights, basic Walmart LEDs for the turn signals, and I still have the halogen highs. Same on this side. My bumper's fucked up. I got some tow hooks that'll go in there soon. Chrome. For my wheels and tires, I have 20-inch snowflakes. These are originals. These aren't no reps. I'm gonna give me some plain center caps. I got a decent amount of tread. They ride good, they smooth. And right here, I got a 3-inch leveling kit. A leveling kit right there. Can't see it, but I will. It's dirty as fuck underneath here. I'm gonna wash it. Maybe after this video, so it can be another one. All of this was black. Put chrome on it. These are black. Put chrome on it. That window tint, I think that's 20%. That ain't no 5%. Same wheels. Chrome tips. I will be making a video about my exhaust. This bumper is brand new. Taillights are brand new too. Window tint. This is who my leveling kit is from. I have their drop shackles too. Yeah, I do have drop shackles, 2-inch. Let me come in here and see if y'all can see it. Right there. 2-inch drop shackles. I will be making a video about my exhaust. Yeah, let's pop the hood. That's what inside looks like. Basic. It's dirty though. I'm gonna have it cleaned out. Probably for another vlog. I'm gonna need to get new ball joints because the bushings are a little torn. Filthy. .6 V8. I want to get a colder intake, but those things are super high. But yeah, it's dirty, but I'm gonna clean it soon. I'm gonna have a full day off. Today was a good day, but I got stuff to do. My radiator's busted right there. There goes the hose that goes to this. I'll have it fixed soon. I got the window strip, the window tint strip. But yeah, that's her. I'm gonna start doing vlogs more about her, what I'm gonna do to it, the more work I put in.